Hello, my name is Oma and you are welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, you are welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I love you guys so much. The love, I do not take you guys for granted. Merry Christmas to you guys, to all my amazing subscribers out there, and to all my intending subscribers as well. I say Merry Christmas to you all and a Happy New Year. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about sensitive skin. I've always wanted to do this video for a long time now, but I've not really gotten my hands around it. I've not really gotten the time to sit down and do this. But hey, today I said no, I'm going to definitely make this video for my amazing subscribers. Okay, if you're a sensitive skin kind of person and you're looking for what to use, this video is definitely for you, because I'm going to be telling you guys everything you need to know about a sensitive skin product you're supposed to be using as a sensitive skin. Okay, so that is what today's video is going to be about. So sit back, relax, and watch this video till the very end. Okay, so without further ado, let us dive right into today's video. Welcome back, guys. I stated earlier that we're going to be talking about a sensitive skin. Okay, so sensitive skin is a kind of skin that is easily irritated. Okay, if you are among those that your skin is easily irritated and you find it difficult to get products that's going to really work for your skin, you've tried so many things, end up getting that irritated skin. Any product you use on your skin, you feel that itchy sensation, your skin starts to itch, your skin starts to become reddish, and you feel that hurting kind of sensation. Your skin is definitely a sensitive skin. Okay, so many products that a normal skin person can use, a sensitive skin person can actually not use such products because their skin is sensitive. It's not really that those products are not good, but because your skin is sensitive, you cannot really use so much on your skin. Okay, as a sensitive skin person, there are some things you need, there's some truth you need to know so that you have peace. Okay, you do not need so much. That is just the honest truth. A sensitive skin person do not need so much in their skincare routine. You do not need a 10-step skincare routine. You do not need so much, and you do not need to jump on any trending product, anything you see trending. Okay, because A is using it, you want to use it. You do not need that. Okay, you just need to figure out products that are good for your skin and just stick with them. Okay, if they are good for your skin, just stick with them. You do not need to follow the trend. You do not need to do too much for your skin. That is just the honest truth about a sensitive skin person. Your routine needs to be very simple and very basic, That is just what a sensitive skin person needs. Okay, a sensitive skin person is easily irritated. You do not, in your skincare routine, you do not need product that contains alcohol. You do not need products that contains a fragrance, because these ingredients actually irritate your skin. Okay, so we are in today's video, I'm going to be bringing you guys products that are amazing for your skin type. Okay, and it will give you results with time, with consistency and patience. You will definitely get results from these products. This skin person do not need so much active, okay, in your skincare routine. So the first thing you're going in with is your cleanser. You just need a very mild cleanser that is fragrance free, alcohol free, active free. Okay, you just need a basic cleanser. Okay, so for your cleanser, I'm bringing you the Face Facts Ceramide Hydrating Facial Cleanser. This cleanser is amazing. I've talked about this cleanser a lot on my channel. If you are following my channel, you would have noticed that as well. This cleanser is amazing actually for all skin types. There's no skin type that cannot use this cleanser. Okay, it contains ceramide, 5 ceramides, that is amazing for your skin. It will help to repair your skin barrier. Ceramides help to repair your skin barrier, and it is amazing. Okay, it is hydrating as well. So if you are a sensitive skin and also a dry skin person, this cleanser is good for you. It will cleanse your face thoroughly without stripping it of the moisture. Okay, it is amazing. So once you are done cleansing your face, allow your face to dry. Please do not use a towel on your face. Okay, allow your face to dry, and you want to go in to your next step. Okay, so for the next step, I bring you your toner. Okay, for your toner as well, you want to look for a soothing toner, a calm toner that doesn't contain any form of alcohol, that doesn't contain any form of fragrance. Okay, and for that, I bring you the simple soothing facial toner. This toner is amazing. It is so soothing. It doesn't contain alcohol, it doesn't contain fragrance, it is fragrance free, and it is soothing. It will not irritate your skin in any way. So you just want to apply some few drops on your palm and dab on your face. Okay, that is what you're going to be doing with this toner. Okay, this toner is amazing, guys. It is very soothing. Okay, and it helps balance the pH of your skin, prep your skin for other ingredients you're going to be applying on your skin, basically. So when you're done with your toner, you want to go in with your essence. Okay, so for your essence, you can go in with the Cosrx essence. This essence is very good. Okay, it helps to hydrate your skin deeply. It helps give you that glass like kind of skin as well. It hydrates your skin a lot, so it is an amazing essence. Okay, you can use the Cosrx essence. It is amazing. If you have the money, definitely go for it, but if you do not, you can skip the essence part and just move to the next step. Okay, basically. But if you have the resources, you have the fund, definitely go for the Cosrx essence. And then you go in with your serum. We go in with your serums. Okay, for a sensitive skin person, not everybody's skin can tolerate a vitamin C serum, so I will not be mentioning a vitamin C serum in this video. Okay, because we don't want anything that will irritate your skin in any way. Some sensitive skin persons can pass with vitamin C serum, but not everybody. Even some people that are not so sensitive cannot actually use a vitamin C serum. They always react to it one way or the other. But definitely, if you can patch test a vitamin C serum before using, by all means you can do so. But the serum I'll be recommending today are serums that are mild, are serums that contain ceramides, serums that contains hyaluronic acid, serums that contains peptides, and all of these juicy ingredients. Okay, so for your ceramide serum, you can go for the Face Fact ceramide serum. Okay, this video I'm bringing you guys, I'm just giving you guys some brands. Okay, but the main thing here is actually the ingredients. Okay, so if you can also look at this ingredient and find it in another brand, you can definitely go for them. There's so many serums out there that contain ceramides. You can also look out for that. Okay, once you're looking out for product to use, what you should be concerned about is actually the ingredients in that product. Okay, it doesn't really matter the brand or whatsoever, but this Face Fact brand I'm bringing to you guys is because this Face Fact ceramide serum is very affordable. Okay, if you are on a budget and you are looking for a brand, Face Fact is that brand, because they are amazing and they also are very much affordable compared to so many other amazing brands out there. They're amazing and also affordable. So yeah, so you can go in with your ceramide or your hyaluronic serum. Okay, for your serum too, I think the Face Fact also has an hyaluronic serum as well. So once you're done with your serum, you want to go in with your moisturizer. And for your moisturizer, I'm bringing you my all-time favorite moisturizer, which is the Cosrx Advanced Nail 92 all-in-one cream. Since I have started using this moisturizer, guys, I love it, and it's also perfect for a sensitive skin. It is fragrance free. It is not going to irritate your skin in any way, and it will give you that glass, shiny, juicy kind of skin. To be honest, since I started using this moisturizer, I've gotten a lot of compliments and people asking me, what are you using, what are you using, you know, all those kind of stuff, and it's truly amazing. Okay, so I am bringing the Cosrx to you guys. Okay, it is an amazing moisturizer. So once you are done with your moisturizer, you want to go in with your sunscreen during the day. Okay, during the daytime, you go in with your sunscreen, and the sunscreen I recommend today is the Skin Aqua sunscreen. This sunscreen is amazing, guys. It doesn't hurt, it doesn't even sting the eye, so definitely you can apply it around your eye area. Okay, it is amazing. It is that mild, it is really amazing. It is good. It doesn't have an overpowering smell or whatever. It is amazing. I think it doesn't really have fragrance. Yeah, I know you guys might be asking, will all these products actually treat my skin concern? Maybe you are a sensitive skin person battling with hyperpigmentation, battling with black spots and all of that, texture skin, and you are looking for something that will also help you to clear that, to help you tackle your skin concern. Okay, a sensitive skin person do not need so much active in their skincare routine, but I wouldn't say you shouldn't use at all. You can use actives, but it should just be minimal, basically. So for your treatment, you're going to be pushing that to your nighttime routine. Do not use any treatment for your daytime routine. This one's product I've brought to you is meant for you to use during the daytime, basically. Then this one, the treatment I'm bringing to you now, is for your nighttime routine. Okay, for your nighttime routine, I'll advise you go in with an exfoliant. Okay, I wouldn't say you shouldn't use an exfoliant, okay, but when you're using an exfoliant, please use a chemical exfoliant, because they are milder. You have chemical exfoliants in toners and serums. We have the salicylic acid, we have the mandelic acid, we have the lactic acid. Okay, these are all chemical exfoliants. Since your skin is sensitive, I will not advise you to use glycolic acid, because this is much more stronger than the other acids. Okay, so for you that your skin is sensitive, I would say you can use the lactic acid or a mandelic acid. This is a lactic acid or a mandelic acid. So when you want to use this in your nighttime routine, you go in with your cleanser, which is your face fat hydrate ceramide hydrating facial cleanser. Then once you're done, you apply mandelic acid or lactic acid on your face. Okay, then once you are done, you just go in with your moisturizer, which is the Cosrx moisturizer. On the night you are using your acids, on your night you're using your exfoliant, you just go in with your moisturizer after that, and that will be all for the night. For your exfoliant, do not use more than 2 to 3 times maximum in a week. 2 to 3 times a week. You do not use your exfoliant every day. Okay, just use them 2 to 3 times a week. Okay, and you're fine. And the night you're not using your exfoliant, just go in with your cleanser, your toner, which is your simple hydrating toner, and maybe just repeat your morning time routine, basically, without a sunscreen. That's just it. Just repeat your morning time routine without a sunscreen. Okay, on the night you're not exfoliating. Your skincare routine needs to be that simple and basic, because your skin is sensitive. Definitely you will get results with consistency. You will definitely get results, and patience. Do not use it for 1 week and you're saying it's not working. Please give your skin time, okay, for this product to work for you. Just follow the routine with consistency, with patience. Love your skin, and definitely you will see results. Okay, so with that, I hope this video was helpful, and if you find it helpful, definitely give it a huge thumbs up. It helps the channel grow. Thank you so much for watching. With that, we have come to the end of today's video. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit on the subscribe button and join this beautiful family. Okay, help us grow this channel. You're watching my videos and you are not subscribed, please just hit on the subscribe button. It is totally free, guys. Just help this community grow, and please turn on your post notification bell so that you get notified the next time I upload my next video. And until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed and beautiful. Bye.